Welcome to our quick dive into the anatomy of foxes, the cunning and adaptable predators of the wild. In this short video, we'll explore the key anatomical features that make foxes such fascinating and versatile animals. Foxes have keen senses of sight, smell and hearing, which help them detect prey and avoid danger in their diverse habitats. Their slender, agile bodies allow them to navigate through dense vegetation and make quick, nimble movements while hunting. The bushy tails of foxes, also known as brushes, provide balance and warmth, and are used for communication through body language. From their sharp senses to their agile bodies, foxes are true marvels of adaptation in the animal kingdom. Join us next time for more fascinating insights into the wonders of nature.